Hey everybody, welcome back to Stone Mountain Barbecue. Well, here's Wifey, and we're on an adventure.
I'm trying to walk and talk at the same time. It don't work.
We are in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're about to go into Bennett's Barbecue for another Jay and Wifey food review, just for you. So let's get to it. We'll see you inside. All right, so we're in. We had to know the super secret password, which was Howdy. So if you want to come here and eat, you gotta be able to say Howdy when you walk in. We got Ode to Dale here behind me, and I'm gonna look at the menu, and I'll let y'all know what I get. So stay tuned.
What'd you get, boo boo?
Got the barbecue combo. Yeah. It's got pulled pork, baby back ribs, brisket, got some potato salad, and some barbecue beans.
What'd I get?
You got the same thing.
No.
You got pulled chicken. You got smoked sausage and some burnt ends.
For you.
What sides did you get?
Spicy mac.
Spicy mac
And cheese.
and cheese.
Yeah.
I assume.
And green beans.
And green beans. So there you go. Well,
No sharing.
sharing is caring.
Oh, okay.
You literally just said that. All right. So one thing that we do anytime we go to a new barbecue joint, which this isn't new, we've eaten here before, but for you guys, we do a taste test of all their barbecue sauces. So, Wifey, what's the first one?
Oh my gosh, they've got so many ingredients.
What's the first one?
This one's the puckering pig. Starts off with sweet and finishes with a little
What's it called?
loud people. The puckering pig barbecue sauce starts off with sweet and finishes with a little heat. It's got a ton of ingredients, which is great.
Okay.
But it's like watering.
So it's more of a vinegary base?
Probably shouldn't put my face that close to it.
You're going too fast. You're going too fast. I didn't get it. Put some more out so I can see it.
No, because then I'll have to eat it.
So it's just like straight vinegar.
It says ketchup, high fructose corn syrup is the second ingredient. Corn syrup, vinegar, salt. What else? Natural flavors. Cider vinegar, brown sugar, water, sugar, spices, and salt.
Not a fan, huh?
No.
So that one was the
Puckering pig.
puckering pig. Starts off sweet, finishes with a little heat, it says. What's the next one?
Mustard's last stand.
That one's probably pretty good. What's it say at the bottom of it?
Mustard-based barbecue sauce with some heat at the end. It's got mustard, cider vinegar, sugar, water, brown sugar, butter, spices, soy sauce. Refrigerate after opening and it sits on the table all the time. Just saying. I wonder if they put them up at night. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Why are they so watery? I mean, it's better, but still not my jam.
Alright.
I think it'll probably be good on some chicken.
So that one says mustard-based barbecue sauce with some heat at the end. Alright, let's see this next one.
You don't like my summaries?
Honey Q for you. I'd say this is a sweet molasses barbecue. Nope, it's still pretty thin too. Alright.
I'm making a mess.
It's okay.
Ketchup, high fructose corn syrup. The first one wasn't enough. Vinegar, salt, onion powder, natural flavors, Worcestershire sauce, sugar, mustard, garlic powder, paprika, smoke, salt, spice, honey, water. Also refrigerate after opening. Same.
So it's a little bit thicker.
A little bit. There you
go. Deep fried deviled eggs.
Thank you.
Here you go. You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Ooh, it's good, but it's pretty sweet. 12 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, that's a lot.
I think if you mix this one and this one.
You might be good.
Yep.
That might be what we try. Alright guys, so our appetizer just came. We got some deep fried devil eggs.
So
Let's try these out. Okay, so we got a little bit of the stuff here. The egg white is what's deep fried. And you got your filling and some salsa or chutney or something. Y'all know how I do it. It tastes like a deviled egg, but the texture is what I like. See what Wifey thinks.
no.
Yeah.
What's the
So she's putting extra chutney on hers. No, maybe. Just a little bit.
Is it like pickles?
It could use some pickles actually.
It's pretty good.
I thought the filling was pretty good.
Yeah, it needs more pickly.
So she's going back for some more chutney.
Which reminds me. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool.
So you got the fry. So they fry the egg white and then do the filling.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like, right?
Normal.
Pretty good. So yeah,
So gross.
I would say try that out if you come down here. All right, guys, our food is just coming. And there's Wifey's. And they brought us what they called their house original sauce, and they like to serve it warm. I think they call it the rowdy sauce. So we'll taste test that for you too. But there you go. Oh, Wifey's digging into something here.
Waiting.
What you got? Go ahead. Go for it.
Chicken. No.
Go ahead. Go for it. Pulled
You don't
chicken.
want to see me eat.
Pulled chicken.
It's pretty good. Must be what this is.
So it looks good. The sausage looks real good.
Is that the burn ends?
And that burnt ends, they look a little bit...
Barbecuing?
Oh,
I
no,
guess
no.
it's
Yeah,
in
they're
here.
chunks. Okay. I thought they were like chopped. I'm pretty excited about these biscuits. Maybe it's just me. Alright guys, I'm just going to taste everything, and then we're going to eat, and then we'll give you our final thoughts when we get back out to the car.
Yeah, when people can't hear us.
So this is the brisket. I mean, it's a little over, but it's hard to find a restaurant that does it like super, super good.
Lift it up.
I mean, it's good. It's got a good flavor. It's tender. Let's try a rib. So it's 2 bones in the combo. Pulls off pretty good. So that's good. The sauce that they put on there is pretty good. And now this is the pork. It's more of chopped pork rather than pulled. So it's
That's pulled boo.
and it's pretty fine. It's tender. It's got a little bit of a smoked flavor. We'll try some of the sauces with it too, but let's see what Wifey thinks about all hers.
What's your burn in?
Oh, you want me to try burn in? Oh, they're super tender. Definitely a different flavor profile than the brisket. It's pretty good. Real tender. We'll talk about it here in a little bit. Well, here's the aftermath. I mean, it couldn't have been that bad, right? Woo. Okay, so we just ate at Bennett's. We're pretty full. as you can see, we ate pretty much everything that was on the plate. Okay. So, what we do is we just rate these places and kind of tell you if you should go and try it out if you're ever in the area. Yeah, because we like barbecue. Or at least I do, and she just kind of comes along for the ride. So what did you have? Chicken. Sausage.
Spicy mac.
Now that was pretty good. It was like
Too cheesy.
it was pepper jack mac and cheese. Is what it was supposed to be.
Yeah, it was not spicy.
It wasn't a lot of spice, but it was a different flavor, right, than normal.
Yeah.
But it was really, really, really cheesy, like runny cheesy. What else did you have?
Green beans.
They weren't that good.
No. A lot of onions and a lot of bacon. Not so much green beans.
And then you got the side of burnt ends for me to try.
For you to eat.
Well, eat.
I didn't eat them. You're like, yeah, I gave you a bite.
Yeah, I mean,
no,
I just
you ate.
You know, this is how a little piece.
No, you ate the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
And a biscuit.
The biscuit was good.
Butter biscuit was good.
It was real good. It was real good. And then I had ribs, baby back ribs, pulled pork,
minced pork,
and brisket.
Yeah.
Sliced brisket with potato salad.
It was good.
It was pretty good. I had to add a lot of pepper to it, but it was pretty good. And then barbecue baked beans. The beans, I thought, probably were one of the best things on the plate, aside from the biscuit.
They taste like dessert.
They were super sweet. They were the sweetest thing.
Sugar.
The sauce, like the sauce that the barbecue beans were made of, needed to be on the table, I thought.
Okay.
So how was your chicken?
It was good. I like the sauce, the rowdy sauce.
The rowdy sauce that I showed you guys that they brought when they brought the food. It was really good. It was warm. It was sweeter. It had more of an actual barbecue flavor. I think their thing here is they were going kind of more for like that Eastern Carolina vinegary sauces that were on the table. And we're just not big fans of that.
No.
So overall, the brisket was overcooked. It was
Too soft?
Yeah, it was like stringy, like it wouldn't, I don't know, maybe it was under, I don't know. It wasn't what you would normally see, like it wasn't the, snap when it pulls apart kind of brisket. Had no smoke ring and no smoke flavor. It just had a beef flavor. The ribs were tough, and the membrane was still on the back, and you could definitely pulled off the back. So that was kind of annoying, but I understand that, they don't have time to do that. That's fine. But they were a little tough, but they did have a nice smoke ring, and they did have a nice smoke flavor. Their website says that they do hickory and mesquite?
Yeah, or their menu, or something.
Yeah, hickory and mesquite smoke. So that the ribs actually were probably my second favorite thing. The pork, however, looked like you had beaten it with a hammer and then run it through a meat grinder and then put it on the plate. It didn't taste bad. It wasn't really a taste, though. It was kind of like just cooked pork.
Yeah.
I put a lot of barbecue sauce on it, and it still wasn't all that great.
No.
What about anything else that you can think of that? The deep fried devil eggs, though, they were pretty good.
Really?
I was a fan.
I mean, the batter didn't have a flavor, so.
It was more for texture, I guess.
Yeah, but then the top stuff didn't have that much flavor.
The pickled stuff did.
It wasn't really pickled enough.
Yeah, and it could have used more pickles.
Yeah.
But it was still good.
More yellow stuff.
Like, I would get them again.
Okay.
Probably.
Well, yeah, I would say that because I've had them before.
Oh, yeah. She had those before. I hadn't.
And told you to get them, so.
As far as, I would still get my sides again. If I came back, the sides that I got would be the same sides I got. What about yours?
I'd probably try, I don't know. They have deep fried corn.
And we heard people talking about that.
They said they deep fry the corn and then they roll it in butter and spices. So who knows if that's any good, but
it's probably like Mexican
probably
corn, I
worth
guess.
trying. Mexican street corn is like not fried.
Oh, that's right. It's grilled.
Yeah, and it's so good.
Yeah, it is good. Okay, so we're going to do a 1 to 10 again.
Sure.
So we're going to do a 1 to 10. 10 being like y'all need to get down here to Pigeon Forge like yesterday and try this place out. 1 being like watch Food Network for a week and, you know, make your own suppers.
Okay.
I'm going to go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3,
7.
6. That's pretty close.
Yeah. I was
That's
gonna say
pretty close.
7.5, but then I didn't want you to like have to
Like, look at
to
you.
average a
Oh.
half if you didn't say half. Which I
If y'all
never-
haven't watched the video of the last time that we came and did a review, I was a little bit mathematically challenged
A
on
lot
doing
better.
averages. So at average, we're at what, 6.5?
That was fast. I think you said all that to give yourself time to think of what the actual average
I was
was.
thinking about it from the get-go, okay? Let's just be honest.
Yeah, I know.
From the time you said 7, I was like, okay, 6 and 7, half of that. Anyway, so it's 6.5 on average.
It's pretty good.
I mean, it's
like,
not...
I'd eat it again, but if we drove to Cheesecake Factory, I wouldn't have been.
Yeah, so with that, we were thinking
Sad
about
about
driving
it.
on to Knoxville and going to Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah.
Um,
Missed opportunity. Just saying.
well, we're getting ready to go play some mini golf too,
Yeah.
and that's
Oh,
gonna,
yeah.
that's gonna be fun.
And they got milkshakes.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of milkshakes.
Oh, yeah, new place.
Yeah, new place
Great.
just opened up here. It's indoor, outdoor mini golf with like desserts and stuff. So, anyway, 6.5. Bennett's Barbecue. It's been here forever. Like, I remember seeing Bennett's when I was a kid and coming up here. And when I say kid, like when we started dating, because that was the only time I ever
Like
came.
12 years ago.
Yeah, so if you're up here, it's worth a try. I mean, it's a good little, just quick and easy barbecue joint. It's not like, you know, home style barbecue. You're not going to get that huge smoke ring. You're not going to get that huge smoke flavor, but it's still got some. It's got perks. The salad bar looked good.
Perks. Yeah.
I don't eat salad. That stuff grows for rabbits.
Whatever you eat. So.
Yeah, I do eat salad. You're right. All right, guys. That's it. That's all we got for you. You got anything else to say?
I'll show you my milkshake later. 'Cause I'm
I
getting
guess you're
one.
going to see
I
the
am
milkshake
getting
at the end of
one.
Whatever.
Shoot.
I appreciate you for watching, guys. Stick with me. We'll see what we can do. This video is a little bit different. If you enjoy it, hit the thumbs up. Wifey doesn't like to be on video, but I didn't have time to cook this weekend to put a video out tomorrow, so she kind of didn't have a choice. I mean, she had a choice. I'm not like... she's not chained in
Paying
here.
me. Milkshake.
What's that say about you?
I'm cheap. Give me something sweet.
Alright, guys, I appreciate you for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit subscribe so that, and the bell. I think that's a big thing now. If you hit the bell notification, it sends you an alert whenever I post a new video. That way you get to watch it instead of waiting on it to just show up in your news feed. And yeah, if you enjoy it, let me know down below. Maybe we'll do more videos like this and go taste places. And
Sure.
yeah, exactly. Thanks, Boo. Love you.
I'll do a Cheesecake Factory video.
Oh, gosh. Anyway, we'll see you next time, guys. Y'all take care. God bless. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
She's way too excited. It's literally a kid in a candy store right now. So, concession under construction. She's mad.
Screw.